Hi everyone, Linda here. I wanted to create a bold but yet simple look on our model Sarah here today, and I'm using our new product Sparkl in the color Tease. I'm applying it on the inner corner of the eye and blending it out with our small blending brush. And because this is a product that dries completely, you have to be quite quick to blend it. I would say that Sparkl is the perfect glitter product because it's so easy to work with. It works with sheer, neutral looks or more bold looks, so it's really perfect for the beginner and for the makeup artist. Then I got an idea about doing a pretty bold eyebrow highlighter, like under eyebrow highlighter with the blue, and I think it turned out gorgeous. It's not what I normally do, but who decides what's normal or not? And I mean, who doesn't love a creative makeup? And then you need to try Sparkl as an eyeliner. It makes the most beautiful, glittery, sparkly liner. You can put it on top of any crayon or eyeliner or use it alone. Then we're going in with mascara. I'm not using that much mascara or false lashes because I really want the eyeshadow to speak for itself. I'm using an angled brush for a more precise application on the lower lashes. And then it's time to put some glow on the skin. I am mixing Shaping Light in Desert Glow and Warm Glow, and I'm using it as a highlighter on the cheekbones, on the nose, and then also on the body. If you haven't tried Shaping Light as a body glow yet, you have to try it. It's amazing. As my blush, I am using Majestic in the color Cherry. It will give this really natural and sun-kissed look on the cheeks. I prefer applying cream blush with the sponge, but you can also use a brush or your fingertips. As my lip gloss, I am going to mix Sparkl in the color Flirt with Infinity Glass. To mattify the T-zone, I am using my absolute favorite powder, blotting powder. This is a must for everyone who is a little bit oily, who's got an oily T-zone in the summer or winter. It's completely transparent and it's really the best powder out there. Something that is so much fun, it's so simple, and I haven't done it in a while, it's ear painting. So I took Sparkl in Delish and I painted Sarah's ears. It's basically like having a piercing or a tattoo, but you can take it off in the night. It really adds that extra to the look, and I think it looks amazing. And that is the finished look. I really hope you love it. I really hope you love Sparkl as much as I do. And I'll see you next time. Bye!